It's hard. You could just hear it like crunching through.
There's also an adhesive that you can put on this too.
No, it comes out this way.
Either way, okay.
Inside, that's when we pull the cord. When we get the cord in there, we may have to go to the hardware store and pick some up. I mean, that or the blade's brand new.
It sucks. You might uncover some rust and you're gonna.
All right, now you're just throwing bad luck at me, man. You know what I mean? You know, you're just not trying to be my friend anymore.
Might encounter.
You laughing, man?
I think Filet already knows.
Yeah, you know.
He already knows the trend here with these old.
It's cool. Eventually, we'll see what we could do, and we got some encapsulator, you know, just to like sand it down and save it. I'm not about
I think we can pop it out now, bro.
All right, let me just get this out. There we go. Just so we have no. Wow, that's like super crunchy. All right.
Voila.
That's our glass.
Got it.
All right, go ahead, man. Jump down.
Yes, sir.
Watch them knees, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Did some welding inside there and didn't protect the glass, and it's got all these little fittings. But
No, you know what it is?
that's character.
If it's that high, then somebody was up here scraping, because they were up here. It's on the outside or on the inside?
On the inside.
Oh, it's on the inside.
Yeah.
We could do a little bit of the, a little sanding, a little.
Well,
I can clean it up real quick, and we could do some.
415 or
No, encapsulator and some. What do you call it?
Rust-Oleum or
No, the. We have the beam, the seal. What do you call
Seam
that?
sealer?
Seam sealer. Just a little bit of seam sealer and it should be fine, right? Like right here, where the joints. I think it's fine. I mean, I don't feel any seam sealer up here at all. But like
I
right
would just
here.
throw primer, black primer on there and go with it.
Go with it. Yeah.
Rust-Oleum. They got the rust converter Rust-Oleum. Yep. Give it a quick sand.
Yeah, that's what we should do.
Put something to cover the seats.
Yeah, let me go get a tarp and everything, because this thing does flip forward. It's a brand new seat. As you can tell, it smells like brand new, and I'm going to have to vacuum in there and then wipe it down when I'm done, because you can see butt cheeks on that thing.
It looks good, though.
Yeah, yeah.
It's in really good shape.
It does. It smells good in there now that it's on you. Let me go ahead and get that. Some sandpaper.
You got instant convertible.
Huh?
Instant air conditioning, just like that. Where it's like you found it and you want to just treat it right away.
Yeah.
With one process. You got that Marhai spray paint or 415 spray paint.
That's the beautiful part about Chicago, man. It's like the food capital. You know what the Paso is? Sandpaper or what?
Yeah.
That's not what I got here.
But I want to put something where it says, do not resuscitate.
DNR.
Do not vaccinate and do not resuscitate.
Last thing we got to do, the bed hot tub. So I got to call the investor, see if he's going to send us over the equipment so we could do the bed hot tub. And I want to heat it, so we're going to have to invent something to come off the radiator to cool off the water.
Sure.
I mean to heat up the water, but the rest of it can go because we're pretty much done with it, except for the bed hot tub.
Sure. How about we just reapply?
I'm down with that too, just to remind them.
Because so we could just clean this thing. That way we know we did a good job.
See, that's what you like it. All right.
So maybe I'll use it. You know, just
Dry up some of the excess.
a little more that way. Right. Okay.
We could bring in the, I guess the gasket. We squeeze these in a little bit more, because.
Right. Here, let me hold this guy for you.
Because I can clean this off, you know. Oh yeah. I'm not worried about that. We'll clean it off and it'll sit right in there. At least at the same time it'll keep water out for a little while, and then it'll dry up eventually. So.
Oh yeah, dude, this is going a lot better now.
Okay. Let me see right here. What say you, bro?
Shit looks good. Good inspection here. Really look at it. Technique: if you come this way and you peel this guy, getting two hands in here to get it started. And it goes down a lot quicker.
Not extra. They gave me something that some 78 trucks, some of the 78 Fords may use, or something that definitely will be needed. So it wasn't like they gave me not more than what I needed. They gave me stuff that I would need, because there's people that kind of, the 77, 78s probably have a very slight different change on the door pattern, but the rest would probably be the same. So that's why I figured they threw those two extra ones. So I'm glad that we got that seal. And like I said, this seal came out of OC Auto Carpet in California, Simi Valley, California, man. It was a good deal, I think. I think we got everything. Wasn't too happy with the Lori Lightfoot tax, man,
Who's Lori Lightfoot? Are you talking about Beetlejuice?
Yeah, we're talking about one of the worst mayors in the United States, I would say. I don't know. But let's not get into politics. We're building cars here, man.
She was in
There's two things you don't do here. We don't talk about politics while building cars.
That's right.
And we don't eat.
Who brought it up?
Okay.
Now watch both ends, bro. Make sure we kind of...
We're on the rubber right now. There. All right, hold on.
Maybe get it started,
Yeah. Well,
my hand a little bit. Grab your little wedge tool.
well, we're right on it. See, right there. Hold on.
Hold on a second.
Yeah.
That looks pretty good. I'm looking both sides now, and that's looking...
Yeah.
Or no, not straight down, straight up this way, but close. Oh yeah, the lift is that. Yeah, you're gonna pull straight down, but close to the wall there. some pressure y le doy unos
Yeah.
putazos.
Dale. Little bit more lube. So, and I don't think every car would probably be the same as far as doing this.
Yeah, once you...
Besides baking in the sun here with Captain Ed over there, man, we got this thing on there and it was a little bit more of a challenge than what we thought. If you could do it yourself, do it yourself, but man, you're gonna go into a little bit of challenges, you know. As you can see, we started off with a nice clean window. Now we have this slot back there, but it's good. We can get it in. The main important part about it, it's not broken. Soapy water was the best thing that we used, besides all that other chemical stuff that we used, like Ed's KY. That did not work. So other than that, it went in. We had a little trouble spots, but we took our time and we just kind of eased it in there. I think that over in the next couple of days, it's going to settle in real nice and get a real nice suction in. But we can start to see right now that it's actually, man, it looks really nice. As long as we don't see any of the cracking or anything like that. About to wet it right now and make sure that it's all said and done. But yeah, I'm very happy about this right now. And it looks real good, man, you know. And the reason we went into doing this ourselves, man, because I was kind of tired of waiting around for people to call me back. I called a couple other people to say, hey, a couple of these mobile glass guys, you know, yeah, $169, 200 bucks. Okay, yeah, sure. It is what it is. But, you know, it needs to be done. And Lord and behold, Captain Ed comes over and gives me a hand because that's the only other person available to give me a hand with this. Or at least I trust that can help me out with this. And then, you know, it's kind of scary when he shows up and he says, I don't know. But we forged forward. It's just we did good. I'm happy with it. It looks great. And now I don't have to worry about that floor rusting out, to be honest. So it looks good. We're gonna wipe it all down and she's gonna be ready for pickup. Fast one, clean up job there.